Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a power hour and is in collaboration with my friend Lynn from Lynn Purposefully Joy. She is a mom of 5 and has a mom lifestyle channel that is very similar to mine, and I especially love her farmhouse decor style. You can also find on Lynn's channel a variety of cooking, cleaning, and DIY videos. I will link her channel below, so be sure to head on over after you finish watching mine, and I know you will love her as much as I do. So I did a little shopping at Hobby Lobby and TJ Maxx Home Goods yesterday, and just wanted to show you what I picked up and will be redecorating with today. I found this basket at Hobby Lobby and it was $14.99, 40% off. I also got these stems. I got 3 of them and they were 50% off, $7.99 each originally. And I got this glass container to put them in, also from Hobby Lobby, and that was $21.99. It was 40% off also. And then these pillows I found for the couch, and they are from Home Goods, and they were $14.99 each. So after I finish cleaning today, I'm gonna be doing a little redecorating with this stuff.
Every time that my mind slips, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can.
It has been raining almost every day where we live for the past week, so we have been spending a lot of time inside in our living room and dining room area, and I just felt like everything was in desperate need of a thorough cleaning.
There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
I wash my couch cushion liners in the washing machine about once a month, so between washes I like to spray down the couch cushions and my carpet with an enzyme spray that just helps break down any stains and odors, and then I will just go in with a clean rag and work it into the fabric. It leaves everything feeling and smelling really fresh and clean.
All my friends keep on saying that I'm better off alone. They don't know what it feels like, but I do. So you faded out while I was too damn obsessed with myself. Wanna hit the reverse on what's broken. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? But what's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on, but I cannot. I shoot in the dark, so I miss my target. It's the time to move on. You know, so why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, and so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
I just could not get the crayon marks off of Miles's table, so I went and grabbed a magic eraser and they literally wiped right off. I swear these things really are magic.
Of you, of you, of you, of you, yeah, you, of you, of you.
My dog must have been very bored one day, so he decided to chew up a couple of boxes that had some games and flashcards in them. So I finally got rid of the boxes and just transferred the contents into Ziploc bags.
You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you. Don't forget to get you. 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 You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind. You will climb up high and look through the clouds, and when you're feeling low, I know you'll bounce back.
I am constantly redecorating the fireplace for the change of seasons or just because I get bored of looking at the same decor for too long. So today I am really excited to switch up what I have going on right now.
Just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me to get you.
I picked up this letterboard from Target recently and have been having so much fun changing the quote around every week or so. Alright, true story. I have been on the hunt for the perfect couch pillows for almost a year now, and I think these are it. Let me know what you guys think. I can't believe that I was able to get everything done on my list with some time to spare. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and make sure to head over to Lynn's channel to check out hers as well, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you.
Stay true to that fire in your heart and your soul. Don't drench your desire in what you can't control. We fly, try so hard to get there, and we might be lost but not forever.